Hi guys, hope you're well. Just very quickly, picked up a message from Paul asking how sort of my sheet works a little bit, what some of the figures are. So I thought I'd quickly show you, kind of give a recap of my small account at the same time. Here we are, I'm up to 440, which is 48% growth, 97% hit rate this month. Quite happy with that. Got a few days left of the month, but anything could happen in a few days, as we all know. But at the moment, it's going to plan. All right. Summary pre-calculates itself. All you have to enter is your year start and put in your sort of monthly thoughts as you go. The rest of it will work it out itself. Okay. Let's have a look. The madness sheet, as you've all seen before. Then we go into filling in these. Now I'm up to March, and Paul was asking about bid size and end of day box, what they are. Okay, this is my current bid size, what I'm working to, and the idea is that's the maximum that I go to of sorts. If I'm on gold, obviously I can go a bit more, but it's just a guide, guys. So for argument's sake, if you're on a pound a point, it's kind of, this box here works out what your next bid size up, if you're looking to increase, based on this number here. So I work on a 10% increase, and I'm kind of working it up till I can get to about a fiver. All right, so from it's 74p, just means when I start trading the following day, I'll be looking at 81. Hope that kind of makes sense. And what this little box here is, I just dropped it in to help myself with my maths. I look for around 1.5% a day, just as a benchmark target. None of them are set in stone, they're just benchmarks. But if I work the plan out on 1.5 a day, based on that bid size, my current bid size, I have to achieve £6.60 in profit. So as long as I do £6.60 in profit, I've achieved my 1.5. And that little number there is kind of working out what the balance increase is. Okay. And then all I do is I can just tap it into there. And while I'm working throughout the day, I've got it in my eye that I want that to beat that. Simple as that. And that's all it's there for. So it's kind of the end of my goal. So if I got to 448, I would just stop. So I hope that kind of makes sense. It's just a little, I put little things like that in my eye shot, really just as a reminder, because over trading is a major thing. And sometimes if you've hit your targets, why bother continuing to trade? It's just ego. And if your ego takes over, all of your good work can be undone in one trade. So if you've achieved what you need for the day, stop. And that's the best advice I can ever give you. So 8:10 in the morning, if you've achieved that, don't do anything for the rest of the day. Do it again the next day. And then do it again the next day. And you'll find that your profits increase, your sort of win rates increase, your consistency, everything increases if you slow the process down. So hope that makes sense. Anyway, so that's what they're for. So just in summary, that is just an eye shot, and it's just copying whatever that number is. I just tap it in there so I can see it, and that you just key in manually, and that is the next one. Again, it's just little eye shots to help you work out your trade. Best of luck, guys.